Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am giving my desk a complete makeover. It's time to clean up, organize, and set up a functional space. This is how my desk used to look with all the wires and stuffs on my desk, which was a complete distraction. And I am doing this to get a peace of mind and have better focus. So let's get started. I've always wanted to have an IKEA pegboard at my desk. It's a great way to keep things organized and it adds a bit of style to the desk. It's going to help me free up some space on the desk as well. I also bought this from IKEA to help better do cable management. This would help hold all these wires and place them under the desk. It's evening now and time to put everything back. I'm starting with my monitor and then everything else.